Good morning everyone, it's Sowson from Sowson's Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing pesto pasta. I have been asked by many family and friends, Sowson, how do you make your pesto pasta? Today we're going to give you the big reveal. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we've got our basil, parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and these are our beautiful pine nuts. Now, a lot of people with these pine nuts just roast them. I'm actually going to slightly pan fry them, and you'll see how beautiful and creamy they'll come out. Okay, here we go. Now look at that texture. That's it, that's what we want. Nice and brown, and that's it. Now we're going to add a little bit of parsley. What the parsley does is gives it not just an aroma, but keeps the colour nice and green. All right, 2 cloves of garlic, drop in, bit of salt, little pepper, and of course our magic ingredients. Here we go. Okay, we're just bringing the water to boil for the pasta, adding a little salt. All right. Okay, just adding it to the bowl. That's it. Now, we're going to add our pesto to the pasta. And I have saved some water from the pasta. Woo. Can you see that steam? Get closer, Mr. Cameraman. Get closer. Woo. Nice and hot. Okay, we got our almond soup. Now, this is something that a lot of people do not do. They don't add the pine nuts at the end. I do. Got some pine nuts. Okay, we're going to scrape a little bit of parmi just on the top. Wow, look at that. It looks amazing.